Are you staring at my butt?
No, I am not. I might have been before, but I am... Now I am again. All right, I'm stopping.
Just pay attention to what I'm doing so that you can follow me exactly.
Yep. All right, so do I have to do it exactly like that?
Just, come on. That's impressive. Wow. Max, stay calm. Max, keep it together. Max,
Okay, shall we?